See, for example, we're in
See, I told you.
Okay. Kasi ano ko kasi? Function lang din or function. Pero change topic. Serious? Yeah. Anyway, I'm sure you're familiar with this.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm sure you're familiar. So, by the way, do you support Earth Hour, the switch on your lights? Good job. So you've made us #1 there. So anyway, I know you're in a hurry, but I just need to mince over time. So as you can see here, Anna, these are the 4 major problems that we're trying to solve in the Philippines. I'm sure you're pretty much aware of these things. We have the endangered species, loss of our forests, climate change, and state crisis. Among these 4 problems, which concerns you most?
Climate change.
Climate change. I totally agree with you. We're all directly affected. This is why Ondoys and Pablo happened. Were you affected by any
Children
of
ng
those?
t-shirt boss.
Well, lucky you
Asa
then.
ng
But
bata?
actually, I don't think we want another Ondoy to happen, right? I mean, this is seriously bad. So, anyway,
Pang
So,
children.
how much is the
here in
meeting?
WWF, we don't really focus on the problems, but we
Tomorrow
focus
natin
on the
pag-usapan.
solutions.
Okay.
Right now, we're actually working with over
Yung
20
bibig ko na lang bukas
conservation
yung
sites all over the Philippines. That actually includes Anilao, Batangas, Rizal, Susugan, Tibetawi, Tawi, Negros, up until the Babuyan Islands. We promote clean and renewable energy like with 20 windmills in Ilocos, Bangi. I'm sure you're familiar. Have you gone
Siya
there?
si Anne Hathaway sa movie
Well,
na by
me too. Maybe we can go together or bukas na lang kasi put ay
Exactly.
next week.
Galing mo talaga.
Balik mo sa Pangalawa, okay? And then lastly is of course education and awareness because we need to send the message out there that you really have to be involved just like we're doing. Yeah? So anyway, Anna, I'm sure you'll agree with me that you really have to be involved with the environment, right? Yeah, because what we look at today, it always comes back to things tomorrow. We only have one environment, right? Which is one environment. So, actually, aside from actually creating an awareness, the reason why we're here also, since we don't really do it alone, so we're also looking for support, and this is actually how everyone has been helping out, and how you can help out as well if you want. So this our program is we're showing out 20 or 16 pesos a day. I guess it's pretty tiny, right? It's not even a cup of coffee. I'm sure you're always in Starbucks having your coffee. I was kidding. Well, not even a bottle of water nowadays. It's like buying a newspaper after reading it just to read that okay. In the Alamos, 20 pesos like going to the CR twice. I mean, seriously. So basically, it is a monthly pledge, and it's actually a direct debit system. So it could be through any of these cards. You can actually join the program, help save the Philippines environment, be an official member of WWF, in which you'll be receiving regular updates like our newsletters, but also invites to volunteer work, seminars, symposium, or activities from time to time. So yeah. So one final question, Anna. Given a chance to actually help save the planet Earth and make sure that it be a better place for the future generation, I'm sure you'd love that, right? Helping save the planet Earth makes sense to me. I'm sure it does make sense to you, right? Right. So anyway, I just want to show you our form. So basically, Anna, this is our form, and you'll have this will be your carbonized copy, which will serve as your receipt. I'll be putting my fundraiser name, my fundraiser ID number for your reference, and so you can remember me forever. And just kidding. And then at the back, if you have any concerns in the future, these are customer service hotline. This are customer service hotline. These are email. These are two addresses. Yeah, I can actually be your personal secretary. I just need 2 more minutes to sign you up. You have a valid ID, so I can get you started already. Thank you.
Ginagawa.
Ah!